All right, YouTube. So today I have another project share. This is a prim country style tissue doll holder. She has a tissue in her hand, and she also has another spot in here for another roll of tissue. So yeah, I think she came out super cute. This is the first one that I've made this style, and I'm really liking the way she came out. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be listing her in my shop. Her outfit is Cardinals, which is wintry. I didn't want to do it like Christmassy, so but she could go for Christmas. I mean, she has the colors, but yeah. So I like the way she came out, and you tie with a ribbon. Let's see if I can get it out. The tissue roll. Let's see, I got a little tangles in here. It's hard to do with one hand. Here we go. Okay, so it's ribbons that you would tie inside of the tissue roll, and that's how she would hold it. Now, of course, you could probably tie other things there, but oops, sorry about that. And I just show you the way she looks. Her little dress. I might add something here. I'm not sure yet. I just adore her face. I think she just came out so super cute. Yeah, so I will be listing her in my Etsy shop. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna list her for. I had so much fun making her. I will try one more, maybe, possibly. But yeah, I just love the way she came out. All right, talk to you later. Bye.